In this video, I'm going to show you how to install an audio player on your WordPress blog so that you can play back MP3 files or your podcast easily. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go into Plugins and click on Add New, and then just type in Audio Player, and then click on Search Plugins. So there are several different audio player plugins that you can choose from, but the one that is most popular and has been around for some time is the one that is simply called Audio Player. So I'm going to click on Install Now, and then of course I need to put in my FTP digits, and then you can just click on Proceed. Now, once the plugin has been installed, just click on Activate Plugin to activate the audio player. Okay, now the audio player plugin has been installed and activated on my WordPress blog. So to find the audio player, just click on Settings and click on Audio Player. Now, what you need to do is, if you scroll down, so you'll be able to see the default audio folder location. So this is just a suggestion. If you do not want to create a folder called Audio and upload all your MP3 files there, then you can just click on Custom. Custom location, and then just put in the actual location of the MP3 folder. In most cases, you'd want to use the custom location if the MP3s are actually on a different site other than the site where you just installed the WordPress blog. But if you don't want to mess around with the FTP and the uploading of the files, then there's an easier way to start displaying the MP3 files on your blog. This is to use the default WordPress file or media manager. So you can just go to Media, and then click on Add New. And in this particular blog, the maximum upload file size is 8 megabytes. However, this could also be different for your web hosting provider. They may have set up a different upload file size limit and so on. In most cases, it'll be 2 megabytes. So again, if your MP3 files are bigger than that, then you may just want to upload it via an FTP to the folder and specify your custom location. So in this case, I'm just going to try to show you how it works with a very, very small MP3 file. So I'm going to click on Select Files, and then I'm going to select, and then I'm going to go ahead and select one of my introduction musics. I'm going to click on this, and then you can see that your file has already started the upload process. And we'll wait here as it continues to upload. It'll take just one more second here. Okay, so now the MP3 file has actually been uploaded successfully. But it was corrupt, so we're going to upload another one. All right, so now the MP3 file has been uploaded successfully, and the WordPress has extracted it. It's an MP3 file, so I can actually click on Show here and get the complete location of that file. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy the file, and then I'm going to go to WordPress, and then I'm going to, for just one moment here, I'm going to go to Posts and select one of the previous sample posts that I put in here, okay? I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to click Edit. And now we're actually on the WordPress post, the actual post. So after we resize this here just a bit, you can see that we're on that post. Now, what we're going to do, the easiest way to use the audio player is to use the HTML and figure out where you want that audio player to be. And that's where we want it. So put in the URL and put in the enclosing audio HTML tag there. And also the closing tag. Always be sure to do that as well. All right, it's very simple. As you can see, the opening and the closing tags. And then click on Update. All right, so now that it's been saved, let's go ahead and take a look at it and see how that works. If you want to put the audio in, the first thing you need to do is select exactly where you want the audio to be. So, for example, if you want your audio to be at the bottom, you're going to put the cursor here. And then if you notice on the upload and the insert, there will be an MP3 icon that says Add Audio. So just click on that, Add Audio. And since you've already uploaded the files, you can just go to the media library, and then you can locate the audio file, and then you click on Show. And if you notice the actual URL here, right here, we've got your URL. You can click on Audio Player, and that would insert the proper syntax or proper code, as you can see here. Then you will need to make this MP3 file playable on your WordPress blog. And then just click on Insert into Post. All right, so let me resize this. All right, so now you can see the actual codes have been added here, and I'm going to click on Update. Now, in just a moment here, we'll wait on it. Okay. Now you can see that it's been updated. Let's click on View Post. All right. Now this is the actual post, and I'm going to scroll down, and here you can see the actual audio player. So all you need to do now is click on Play. And there you go. That's how easy it is to add streaming MP3 files or audio files to your WordPress blog using the Audio Player plugin. We'll play it again here in just a moment. So you can see it's playing. Can't really hear it that well. But there you go. That's how easy it is.